नमस्कार, आर के त्यागी, दिल्ली एनसीआर, गाजियाबाद। ओम सच्ची जनवाणी नमः चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को शेयर करें अधिक से अधिक, और वीडियो को लाइक कमेंट शेयर भी करें, लेकिन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब अवश्य कर लें। एक मेरे पास हाई कोर्ट की ऑब्जर्वेशन कोई आई है, ऑब्जर्वेशन है या डिसीजन है, ये इन्होंने दी हैं बाई उपासना अग्रवाल, है जनवरी 24 की, लेकिन इम्पोर्टेंट बता रहे हैं इसे। ये कहते हैं डिनाइल ऑफ पेंशन बाई रिट्रोस्पेक्टिवली अप्लाइंग अमेंडेड रूल वॉयलेट्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट्स अंडर आर्टिकल 14-16, इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट का ये बता रहे हैं। तो ये मैं आपको देखता हूँ, कंफर्म कर लेना इसे। इन्होंने भेजा है बड़े किसी ने। द इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट हैज हेल्ड that denial of pension by retrospectively applying amended rule is a violation of Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India, while restoring pension of retired members State Electricity Regulatory Commission as prescribed under the Pension of Retired Members State Electricity Regulatory Commission as prescribed under the amended Uttar Pradesh Electricity Regulatory Commission appointment and conditions of service of the chairperson and members rules 2008, the bench comprising of Justice Ataur Rahman Masoodi and Justice of Om Prakash Shukla held। आगे कहते हैं द डिनायल ऑफ द पेमेंट ऑफ पेंशन टू द पेटिशनर एज पर द अनअमेंडेड रूल्स 2008 एंड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ नेशनल पेंशन स्कीम टू द पेटिशनर्स ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ द रिट्रोस्पेक्टिव एप्लीकेशन फॉर रूल 15 ऑफ द रूल 2008 एज अमेंडेड बाय रूल्स 21 इज एब्सोल्युटली arbitrary and also in violation of Article 14-16 of the Constitution of India, as well as in violation of Section 89(2) of the Act referring to Electricity Act 2003। आगे कहते हैं द कोर्ट रिलाइड ऑन पंजाब स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव एग्रीकल्चर डेवलपमेंट बैंक वर्सेस रजिस्ट्रार कोऑपरेटिव societies, wherein the Supreme Court held that the retrospective amendment taking away the benefit already available to an employee under the existing rules divest him of his vested right and is in violation of rights guaranteed under Article 14 and 16 of Constitution of India. The court held that in case of vested rights, an amendment will always be prospective to protect the vested right. Background: pursuant to Section 82 of the Electricity Act 2003, State Electricity Regulatory Commission was established. Section 89 of the Act, which provides for terms and conditions of the service of the members, provides that salary allowances and other terms and conditions of service of the members shall not be varied to their advantage after appointment. Section 182D of Act empowers the state government to frame rules regarding the salary allowances and other terms and conditions of the service of the chairperson and members of the state commission under 89(2) of Act. In exercise of the power, the state government notified the Uttar Pradesh Electricity Regulations Commission appointment and conditions of service of the chairperson and members rules 2008. Rule 15 of 2008 rules governs the payment of the pension. It provides that the chairman or member is not entitled to pension if the service is for less than 2 years or has been removed from office under the Act. The proviso to Rule 15. Provided further that the aggregate amount of the pension payable to the person under this rule, together with amount of any pension, including commuted portion of the pension, if any, admissible on him in respect of the service rendered by him prior to his appointment in the commission as a judge of High Court or government servant, shall not exceed the maximum amount of pension admissible on to the judge of High Court or secretary to the Government of India, whichever is more. Petitioner moved from National Thermal Power Corporation, which was non-pensionable job, to the post of a member to commission in 2013. Petitioner was granted pension in 2016. In 2020, an amendment was proposed in Rule 15 to effect that all members appointed on or after 1st April 2005 shall be covered under the National Pension Scheme. Subsequently, petitioners, as pension was stopped and recovery of rupees 22,65,528 was sought to be made from the servant allowance of the petitioner. Counsel for petitioner contended that the amendment was published in 21 wide Uttar Pradesh Electricity Regulatory Commission appointment and conditions of service of the chairperson and members. First Amendment Rule 21. It was further argued that the procedure prescribed under sections 182 and Act was not followed before amending the rules. Relying on the decision of Supreme Court in Bank of Baroda and other versus G. Pilani and others, counsel for petitioner contended that pension is a right and the same cannot be taken away retrospectively. Per contra, counsel for respondent submitted that the amendment was made after obtaining approval from the Council of Ministers. It was submitted that the Commission had contributed to the National Pension Scheme. High Court verdict. The question before the court was whether the amendment made in 21 to Rule 15 of Rules 2008 to apply National Pension Scheme is applicable to the petitioners or not. The court observed that legislation cannot be implemented retrospectively to affect pre-existing rights unless expressly stated otherwise or by necessary implications. Whether a law is applied in the future or in past depends entirely on the legislative intent. If the terms of the statute are unambiguous and it is obvious that the legislature intended for it to apply retrospectively, then it must without a doubt be interpreted as written. However, if the terms of the statute do not by themselves make the intention clear or certain, the statute will be presumed to operate prospectively where it is in derogation of a common law right or where it would interfere with an existing contract, destroy a vested right, create a new liability in connection with a past transaction, or invalidate a defense that was valid at the time the statute was passed। अब ये थर्ड पन्ना हो रहा है, इसमें लंबा हो गया और रात के बज रहे हैं 1, सर्दी का मौसम है, देर होगी मुझे भी। आज दिन में बिजी रहा, बाहर रहा मैं पूरे दिन, 8-9 बजे आया, लेकिन फिर भी कई वीडियो मुझे बनाने थे, 2-1 दिन से बनाए भी नहीं थे तो इसलिए बना दिए। आगे आप सुन लें इसे। द कोर्ट रेज on Arjan Singh and another versus State of Punjab and others, wherein the apex court held that statutory provision cannot be retrospectively applied unless the legislature made it retrospective in express terms or by necessary implication. It was also held that if a provision has been made retrospectively applicable, then care must be taken to not extend it beyond what was intended. The court held that amendment made to Rule 15 by Uttar Pradesh Electricity Regulatory Commission, appointment and conditions of service of the chairperson and members. First Amendment Rule 21 was to the detriment of the petitioner and therefore ultra-vires Section 89 of the Act. Consequently, the court held that divesting an employee of a vested right guaranteed by the existing provision on the Act is violative of Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India. Further, reliance was placed on State of Punjab and others versus Rafiq Masihi White Wasser and others, wherein the Supreme Court had held that payment mistakenly made to retired employee or employees due to retire within 1 year was impermissible. Accordingly, the court directed payment of the same pension to be to the 3 petitioners which they were drawing before the amendment in 21. While parting, the court clarified that the said judgment shall only be applicable to the 3 petitioners and not be treated as a precedent. Case title: Indu Bhushan Pandey versus State of UP through Principal Secretary Department of Energy and second others 2024 live law AB 42 writ A number 5813 of 2022 case citation 2024 लाइव लॉ AB 42। ये था एक डिसीजन केस का कोर्ट का, मुझे भेजा था तो मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया। और ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड के बारे में। धन्यवाद साथियों। नमन RK त्यागी। गाजियाबाद। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम। जय भारत। और 1 से ऊपर हो गए हैं रात के। धन्यवाद साथियों। थैंक यू।